Hi, my name's Connie from Carlisle Audi. Today I'll be showing you around this Audi Q4 e-tron S-Line. This vehicle comes with a technology package. This includes Audi phone box light, headlight washers, the upgraded sound system, matrix LED headlights with dynamic indicator, and LED rear lights. It sits on a set of 20-inch alloy wheels. Here we have a large practical boot space, easily fitting all of your weekly shopping or multiple suitcases. It also has folding down rear seats if more space is needed. In the rear of the cabin we have seating for three with this full leather upholstery, as well as a folding down armrest with cup holders and air vents for passengers in the rear. A quick glimpse at the front will reveal a stylish cabin with decorative door dash inserts, as well as these S-Line front seats that have electric lumbar support. Once behind the wheel, you'll be greeted by this 3-spoke leather multifunction steering wheel. Here you can control the virtual cockpit, giving you access to phone connection, navigation system and radio, keeping you informed on the go. On this touchscreen we have many features such as radio, so you can listen to your favourite stations on the go, media, allowing connection of other devices to the vehicle, Bluetooth, keeping you in touch with friends and family, sat-nav, which is also available on the dashboard, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. This vehicle also comes with Audi Drive Select. Here you can change your drive mode to suit your comfort and needs. It has front and rear parking sensors with a rear parking camera. Thank you for watching this Audi Q4 e-tron S-Line that is now available to purchase as part of our Audi Approved programme. For more information on this vehicle, don't hesitate to contact our friendly sales team today.